guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Lexton, and in today's video, as you've seen by the title, I'm going to be baking. And if you didn't already know, I am a teen baker and run a little baking business. Let's put it right there. With Sarah and Emmanuel. You guys would know that if you watched the first vlog. And today I'm gonna be baking and show you guys how to bake. In today's agenda, we have red velvet, strawberry crunch, s'mores, and maybe brownies, but I don't know if I'm gonna do brownies because I don't know. But I already made the red velvet batter because I forgot to record. But all you do for red velvet batter is you get this type of box, but it'll say red velvet, and you put 1/2 cup oil and 2 eggs, white chocolate chips, and Oreos. And the white chocolate chips and the Oreos don't really matter. You kind of just like eyeball it, but don't put like too much obviously. And you crush the Oreos, and now we have the red velvet batter. And then since I sell them at school, I try to make them pretty big, but if you're making them for yourself, it doesn't matter like how big you want it. You just need to check it while it's in the oven. And I set the oven to 350 and put these in for 12 minutes. And yeah, I'll see you guys when I'm making the strawberry crunch. Okay guys, so this is the size of the cookies, and they're pretty big, and I do 6 each for this little pan, and they'll usually spread out, but now we can put them in. And like I said, 350 for 12 minutes. Okay guys, now let's go. She's looking perfect. Gonna take it out and see. They spread a little bit and they're the perfect size. Now we're gonna go decorate. Okay guys, now it's time for the strawberry crunch cookies, and for this part you'll need Duncan Hines strawberry cake mix, some oil, you'll need strawberry extract, you guys see, white chocolate chips, and golden Oreos. And the recipe does call for strawberry wafers on top, but me personally, I don't like adding them, but you guys can do whatever you want. Okay, so now that the strawberry crunch cookies are done, you want to put crushed golden Oreos at the top, and later we'll put a white chocolate covered drizzle. And sorry if you hear my siblings in the background, they're playing around. But I just usually take a little bit and put it on there. I'll use the strawberry crunch cookies before the white drizzle. Okay guys, now we're on the s'mores cookies. So for the s'mores cookies, you'll need 1 stick of butter, 1/2 cup sugar, 1/2 cup brown sugar. You'll need 1 egg, 1 teaspoon vanilla, 1 1/2 cup flour, 1/2 cup baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon cornstarch, graham crackers, Hershey bars, s'mores, and chocolate chips. Okay, now for this part of the s'mores cookies, we're going to be making the s'mores basis. So we're going to want graham crackers, Hershey bars, and marshmallows. And I just put 1 graham cracker, and I'm just going to do 6 right now. I'm going to put 1 graham cracker for each on the bottom. And then I'm going to do a piece of chocolate for each. Just right in the middle. This is like the jumbo chocolate bar. So they're usually bigger, but like the smaller ones I'll put like 2 maybe. And then for marshmallows, I use half of the marshmallows. I don't use the half thing, the whole thing, so I'll put half. And then the strawberry and crunch cookies and the red velvet cookies, I use Cake Box because I haven't found what's the word I'm looking for? A homemade recipe for those yet, but these are homemade. But I'm gonna find a strawberry and red velvet cookie recipe homemade, then I'll make it. And then I'm just gonna grab a little bit of cookie dough, roll it out, flatten it, and put it over the s'mores. I think you guys can see that. Again, grab it, flatten it, put it over. And you want to make sure they're a little spread apart because they will spread. Like with other cookies, but if they end up going on each other, it's fine. So this is what the cookies look like. Now we're gonna go put them in the oven. And again, all these cookies go in the oven at 350 Fahrenheit for 12 minutes. Okay guys, now we're all done with the cookies, and we have s'mores, strawberry crunch, and red velvet. But we're not done just yet. You can either eat the strawberry crunch as is, or when I sell them, we put white chocolate chips over them. So you're just gonna take your white chocolate chips and put them in a microwave safe bowl. And there's not that much cookies here, so I'm not gonna like melt that much chocolate, but I'm gonna melt enough. So, up, guys. So I just spilled some.
Stop it! Stop!
Oopsies. Okay. We're just gonna put some in there. So that should be a good amount. I just have like enough. So now I put white chocolate chips in the microwave, or just white chocolate in the microwave for 45 seconds. But you want to take it out and stir it after, and then see if you still need to put it in more. I hope you guys are enjoying this vlog. This vlog has been very fun to make, and I hope that you can learn something from this vlog. And yeah, but let me know what ideas y'all want for vlogs. I need more ideas, but I have some. I just need more, or like what you guys want to see. But now the chocolate is done. So I'm gonna get a spoon. nice and melted, but not as much as I want it to be. So I'm gonna put it in for like 10 to 15 more seconds. Okay, so I put them in for 15 more seconds, and it actually came out perfect in the perfect consistency that I want. Now this part just depends on how you want to drizzle your chocolate, but I usually, if it's a nice consistency, I take it from the spoon and drizzle it on the cookies. So that's it. My cookie got a lot. And I only drizzle these cookies. I don't do the red velvet or the s'mores, but you can do whatever you like. This part does get a little messy, so just be prepared for that. I usually place plastic wrap underneath, but I just did it today. Sometimes I will put the chocolate after it's done like cooling in a plastic bag and cut the tip off to act as a piping bag, or you can just use a piping bag. I kind of melted too much chocolate, so yeah. But this is like the final step. Again, these are the s'mores. These are the strawberry crunch. And now, for me, I obviously pack the cheese for school, and I bring them in a lunchbox, and I deliver them as so. But for right now, this will be the end of the video. I hope you guys all enjoyed, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your post notifications on, and let me know down below what ideas you want to see. If you want to see more